She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is based on a classic key lime pie. Instead of doing the key lime pie though, we are going to make key lime coconut cookies. Key limes have a different flavor than regular limes. They are actually more acidic and have a more intense tangy taste and more limey taste to it. Some describe it as slightly sweet with a hint of bitterness, and it has more of a floral aroma than the regular lime does. So as you can see, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using, and together we're going to whip up a wonderful little dessert that is tasty with every bite, and you can taste the wonderful flavors of key lime and coconut. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the key lime coconut cookies, full of delicious key lime flavors, as well as that wonderful toasted coconut that we added. It's more of a shortbread style cookie with the key lime glaze also on top. Makes for the perfect little cookie bite. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this key lime recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you are a fan of the key lime flavor. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.